Hey everyone, today I've got another tricky geometry puzzle for you. Let's see if you can solve it. Here we have a large square, contains a smaller square and a circle, both touching its sides and meeting at the center. Each side of the square is 4 units. We are going to find the radius of the circle. We showed the center of the circle by O and the distance between point A here, where the circle touches the large square, and point B, the corner of the square, is R. These two red lines are perpendicular to each other, and now we draw a line connecting point O and point B like this. We show the lengths of OB by A, and OAB show a right triangle. For clarity, we have removed O, A, and B. And to find A in terms of R, we use Pythagorean theorem. The theorem states that in a right triangle, the square of the hypotenuse, here is A, is equal to the sum of the squares of the other two sides, expressed algebraically as this, and can be simplified A as a square root of 2 times R. This is the relation between hypotenuse and the radius of the circle. Now that we found the length of A as square root of 2 times R, we can extend it by R like this to the point that circle and a small square meet. From the point C, that is the center of the square, we draw a horizontal green line to meet the vertical side of the square at point D. The length of this line is 2 units because this is parallel and the same length as this side, and we draw another green line from point D to the point B. The length of this line is also 2 units. The angle between these two green lines is 90 degrees because these two lines are perpendicular to each other. Points B, C, and D form a right triangle. Again, we can use the Pythagorean theorem for this triangle. The hypotenuse is R plus A. If we replace A, the left side of this equation becomes this, and instead of the right terms, we can write 8. By taking the square root of both sides, we get this equation. We replace 8 by 4 times 2. If we take 4 outside of the square root, we get 2 square root of 2 for the right side. And if we cancel out the power of 2 and the square root at the left side, the equation is simplified as this, and then we can factor out R from left side and dividing both sides by 1 plus square root of 2 and cancel out common factors in the numerator and denominator at the left side. We get R value as 2 square root of 2 divided by 1 plus square root of 2. If we numerically calculate right side, we get the numerical value for R as 1.17. So the radius of this circle is 1.17 units. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe the channel for more videos.